Holbrook, president of Secure Tool Company, here on a very windy, very chilly Arizona morning doing a rooftop helium install. You can see those mountains in the background. It's beautiful. What we're following now, this black cord, that's our antenna cable. It's an LMR 400. It is pretty lossless, and you see that's going down here into our helium router. These two white things that you're seeing on the helium router, this is our PoE injector, and what this is going to do, you see it's actually plugged into the power source right there. We're then going to go downstairs, plug this into the internet, bring the data out right here, and then that's going to connect into the PoE splitter. PoE stands for Power over Ethernet, and that's going to carry both the data as well as the power into the Helium Hotspot, which is going to allow us to mine here on the roof. And right here what you see is the Cat 5 cable. Currently it has no jack on it. We're actually about to put that RJ45 on there, and we'll be back to show you how that's done.